Hello learners, today we will be discussing about functional groups. So what are these functional groups and what are their significance in our real life regarding carbon and its compound we will be discussing about. So let's go. Functional groups can be an atom or a group of atom which is probably not the part of the carbon and its compound, but it defines the property of a hydrocarbon. That means it can change the chemical properties of a hydrocarbon. In this chapter, we will be discussing about different types of functional groups and what's their role in the carbon compound in determining their names. Functional groups are halogen, alcohols, aldehydes, ketone, and carboxylic acid. Now, if we talk about these functional groups, they can attach to the carbon chain either at the end or in between. For example, if I talk about halogens can be a substitute for any hydrogen atom in the carbon chain, and it can form a side chain with a skeleton hydrocarbon. However, if we talk about other functional groups, these functional groups may attach at the end of the terminal of carbon compounds or at the sides. Moving forward, these functional groups may have some suffix or prefix in the carbon chain nomenclature. For example, halogen, they are used as a prefix, and other functional groups, they are used as a suffix. So let's see how the name of a carbon chain be determined by functional group. Here, halogen can be chloro or bromo, which have a suffix like chloro-bromo. Alcohol is represented by OH, and aldehyde represented by CHO, ketone represented by CO, and carboxylic acid is represented by COOH. As we can see, alcohol, it has a suffix of ol, aldehyde as al, ketone as on, and carboxylic acid as oic acid. Let me illustrate the nomenclature of a carbon chain with this example. Here I have taken two carbon compound. Both have the same skeleton chain, however they have different functional group. So if I see that in the first carbon compound the functional group is OH, with this, if I see the OH represents alcohol, so its name can be ol, but based on the number of carbon atom, its name will be ethanol. However, in the next, if I see the functional group is CHO, but the skeleton carbon chain is same, so the name will be ethanol, which is an aldehyde. Let me take another example of the same but with different carbon atoms. Here I have taken 3 carbon atom chain in which functional groups are different. In the first, if I see the functional group is CO, which represents a ketone, so its name will be propanol, which is a ketone. But in second, if I see the functional group is COOH, which represents a carboxylic acid, so its name will be propanoic acid. It is to be noted here, both are 3 carbon chain structure and their name will start from prop only, which represents the 3 carbon